Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you 3 spreads all about recipes. Let's jump right into it. The first one I'm going to show you will take up 2 pages, oh boy, and it's basically a recipe bank or a summary of my go-to recipes that I've tried and I love. I decided to go with the cursive title today because I was feeling fancy, and next I'm going to section off the pages using cute post-it note-like doodles. Some of them have tape or have the edges curling up or have a cute tiny little thumbtack. I'm kind of laying out the recipes by category, but I didn't really include category titles in this spread because it's kind of self-explanatory to me once I look at what each category contains. But yeah, I'm just going to do this across both pages. I planned how big to make each post-it section based on the amount of recipes in a given category. At first, the post-its with this curled edge seemed intimidating, but I looked it up on Google, literally searched doodle of a post-it, and you just have to draw a regular square with one edge rounded off, then you draw a triangle pointing in towards the center. Just another thing I can add to my bullet journaling skills list. Post-its with curled edges. Incredible. Anyway, now I'm going to write the names of the recipes inside each of the post-its. Underneath the recipe name, I'm going to write the source or the name of the website where I got the recipe, but if there's nothing underneath it, that just means it's my own recipe. Also, it literally took, forever, so I'll spare it you, but now that I'm almost done with that, the spread is pretty much done. You can change the sizes of the post-its and fill them in with your own favorites to have one place where you can overview your go-to recipes when you're trying to plan your meals for the week or the month or whatever. Just gonna erase real quick. Now I'm going to move on to the next one, which is going to organize information about recipes that I haven't made before but I want to try next. I'm basically going to make a chart to fill in with the recipe names, the source, and the ingredients that I would need to make them. First, I am just sectioning off my table, which I pre-measured based on how much I needed to write, and I will be able to fit 5 new recipes on here that I want to try. I'm also putting a little doodle underneath each recipe, a mini crepe with blueberries for the blueberry crepes with honey whipped cream. Oh my god, it sounds amazing. Curry leaves for the potato curry, and so on. Basically, if I'm not picking something from my favorites list on the page before this, I'll be trying to pick from here first because they're the recipes that I'm most excited about trying. I'm also really proud of my little Greek salad doodle. Last, I'm just going to erase. On the next page, I'm going to make a spread for my favorite snacks. Not sure what to fill my lunchbox with? Boom, this page. I took inspiration from what I've been snacking on most lately, but with some new ideas in there too. I'd say these are a pretty good mix between healthy and unhealthy. Probably. But yeah, I'm just going to make a little doodle of each of my favorite snacks and then write it underneath. Instant inspiration for my grocery lists. If you want to make a personalized spread much like this one, I can tell you that all I did was make the list and then look at some food doodles to help guide me on how I should draw each one. Google is a friend. Plus, I have a feeling that having this page to inspire me will keep me from reaching for my new obsession. Cheetos Flamin' Hot Puffs. Damn you for being so delicious. Also, hummus is very strange to draw. I don't even know if this really looks like hummus. Now that I've finished all of the black and white spreads, I'm going to go back and color. I saved it for the end this time because there's a good amount of things I wanted to add color to. First, I'm just going to outline the post-its in different colors. I'm trying to go with basic post-it colors as my inspiration, and then I'm going to also color the tape and the thumbtacks. Next, I'm going to color the header and the food doodles on the recipes to try page. I'm limited by the types of highlighter colors that I have, so my tomato is pink, but it's fine. Also, I tried to do this cool like exploding salad thing, I don't know, with like a leaf and an olive and a cucumber in the bowl and then like tomatoes and feta just like falling all over it. I think my polka dotted salad bowl is just darling. And then I'm going to color my snacks page. I literally can't express how much I love this raspberry doodle. The blueberries are pretty cute too. The egg is okay, just okay. I also colored the cashews twice because they were too fluorescent as orange, so I covered them up with brown, but now they're kind of dark, but it's fine. I also colored my hummus as my favorite kind, roasted red pepper. Duh, the best one. And here are the 3 completed spreads. This is really easy for me to look at rather than combing through my bookmarks every time I want to try and plan my meals. Now it's all in one place. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.